Alright, this is the WOCCI Ballistic Nylon in navy blue watch band. This is the style of watch band that goes behind the watch, and it included 4 pins. I needed to use 2 of the pins, and I lost 1 pin because it shot off while I was putting things in. It also includes the little tool here for compressing the pin. You stick the tool in the slots and it pushes things in. And so if you look closely in here, you can see there's 1 pin there, and the other pin is hidden in there. So the pins go between these 2 layers of nylon. I found, my wrist isn't super tiny, but I found this tail to be a little bit long for me, and it was flopping around when it was cut up. So the factory edge is there, but you can just cut this thing and then hit it with a torch to keep it from fraying and shorten it down as short as you want it to get that way. So this is what you get when you purchase this watch band. Alright, I'm going to shorten this strap to basically this first hole here. It's not going to look quite as nice around as the factory cut, but we're going to try to bevel it a little bit. And then to keep this from fraying more than it already has, I'm going to be using just a torch to heat it up. And the reason I'm wearing a glove is that I can pinch it after I heat it up and melt it so that it'll stay flat. It doesn't look as nice as the factory edge because they probably did a hot knife. But you can melt any points that are sticking out with careful application of heat. Alright, and so there we have the shortened watch band, and the melted nylon there is not going to fray.